Mezzi relies on information from your financial accounts to deliver insights and advice. When connecting financial institutions, you may occasionally run into a technical roadblock. If a message like, "We're unable to establish a connection to your financial institution. Try again later," 102, or "failed connection." Mezzi typically has an alternative path for you. We use 3 aggregation partners: Plaid, Finicity, and SnapTrade. That means if one connection doesn't work, you're given another path, so you can still link your account. Here's exactly how it works. Go to your profile page, click Account, Assets and Liabilities. At the bottom, select Connect New Account, choose your brokerage. When the Plaid window appears, close it by clicking the X, then click Yes, Exit. You'll land on a page that says Couldn't Connect. At the bottom, click Try Alternative Path. Mezzi will automatically route you to another aggregator, like SnapTrade or Finicity, to complete the connection. Our AI can only be as good as the information it sees, and that accuracy starts here, with getting every account connected, no matter which aggregator makes it possible. So whether Plaid supports your institution or not, Mezzi gives you another way to get it done. So administrative tasks like account linking don't become a dead end.